You think you are late in life and therefore you need to move faster, get more in shorter span of time. और उसकी वजह से most of the time you're thinking और क्या करूं, कैसे करूं so that जल्दी हो जाए, ये तो हो ही नहीं रहा है, कैसे होगा, I need to move faster. If this is happening with you और ये आपको bother करता है, तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है. Make sure you stay right until the end. Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, daughter of two rock-solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of a humor king, an engineer MBA corporate executive turned anchor person, now an author and a happiness coach, helping leaders build deep connections and meaningful relationships in their organizations by having deep connection with themselves. If you're able to relate with this video, hit the like button. Also, if you've not yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. So I was talking to this one leader, and that's where this whole the topic came up. Okay, and he's a senior leader in one of the corporates. And as we were talking during the session, what came up, what he identified as one of the core beliefs that's driving him was that I'm late in life. Okay, that there was some 5-6 years of lag between him finishing his education and starting the journey, corporate journey. And that, made him feel that he's late in life. Now, while we all know there are so many instances where, people have started with, the things that they are passionate about or discovered something for themselves at very, very late stages of their lives. Yeah. So I'm not going to quote those instances here, but I want you to get aware of the impact this has on you. जब आप I'm late in life लेकर चलते हैं तो उसका कुछ impact होता है आप पे और आपकी वर्किंग पे, आपकी प्रोडक्टिविटी पे और आपकी जिंदगी में, आपकी जो रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी है उसमें, आपकी पीस ऑफ माइंड पे, आपकी हैप्पीनेस पे, राइट? और आप में से जो लोग ये बिलीफ को लेकर चल रहे हैं कि मैं लाइफ में लेट हूं, आई एम लेट इन लाइफ, आप लोग रिलेट कर पाएंगे, पर आपका सबका फ्लेवर अलग अलग होगा. सो आई वॉन्ट यू टू गेट इन साइड योर ओन लाइव्स एंड रिफ्लेक्ट एज आई टॉक. Okay, now what happens is, or what happened in this gentleman's case was that when you think I am late in life, then the constant focus is on I need to achieve more, I need to get more, I need to create more. And as a result, what was happening was he was constantly looking at what's happening to my appraisal. Am I growing at that pace or not? All looks fine, but when the appraisal time comes in, I don't know what happens. So there is some challenge with, the people out there, and he doesn't even go and check or talk to them. Okay. So it has somewhere, it impacts him massively on a daily basis. He thinks about it quite often. कि ये क्यों हो रहा है, right? And this is somewhere slowing me down. The organization doesn't understand. Why don't they tell me up front? They say I'm doing very good, but when the appraisal comes in, it just doesn't happen. Now, the whole thing that's driving him is I'm late in life and therefore this must happen. It bothers him, it impacts him. Yeah. And that further impacts his productivity and his action-taking capability. He realized that he's not able to give his 100% to whatever he's doing. Yeah, how many of you are able to see this for yourself? कि जब आप उस ट्रेन पे सवार हैं या उस नाव पे सवार हैं जहां आप कॉन्स्टेंटली अपने आप को बोल रहे हैं कि मैं लेट हूं, तो आपका पूरा फोकस कैसे उसको एंजॉय किया जाए और बेहतर किया जाए, क्या नया ला सकते हैं, उससे हट करके इस पे आता है कि मुझे ये मिला या नहीं मिला. अगर ये नहीं मिला तो मतलब कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, अरे मैं तो फिर पीछे रह जाऊंगा. ये तो कम हो गया, आगे कैसे बढ़ा जाए। और वो आपको इतना स्ट्रेस और एंजाइटी दे देता है कि जब आप काम करने जाते हो तो यहाँ प्ले क्या कर रहा है, नॉट हाउ यू कैन डू इट मोर इफेक्टिवली, बट will I be able to do it? I'm already lagging behind. If I don't do it fine, then it will impact my rating, it will impact my appraisal, or it will impact my business, whichever area you are in. Yeah, what will people think about me? And another thing, you kind of sacrifice or do away with every other area of your life because you think this is important. ड्राइव क्या कर रहा है, मैं लाइफ में लेट हूं तो बाकी सब कुछ को बाद में देखेंगे. What's important is for me to move ahead, to catch up with that pace of life. And who decides that pace of life? The society, whatever your conditioning is, whatever your beliefs are. If you think you've been brought up with that conditioning that no, there has to be no gap, and maybe your colleagues, your friends are at a certain level, and because they started early on, and you think the reason why you're lagging behind is the gap, then you are constantly stressed out about it. So you're neither enjoying, neither are you able to focus on what you need to do. You are not able to think creatively, innovate. Yeah, you're all the time stressed, anxious. That impacts your health. That is impacting your relationships also, both personal and professional. Because personal space में आप घर को उतना वक्त नहीं दे रहे हो, आपका पूरा फोकस है मुझे ये और करना है, इधर करना है, ये तो ठीक है हो जाएगा, it's already there, you take it for granted somewhere. And professional space में because you're not yourself, you're always in that fear and wondering whether you'll be able to catch up or not, and therefore it does impact. Are you able to see the impact it has in your life? So all I want to bring to your notice is start getting aware. Start getting aware that number one, this is happening and this is driving you. I'm late in life is driving me. Everywhere you will see that impact. Okay, when maybe even in your personal space, you will think, oh my God, I'm late. I should have provided this to my family, or I should have achieved this much. What will my family think? So you have a different angle there. Workplace, of course, it's a different one. Other areas, it's yet another one. But that's what's impacting you everywhere. So one, start getting aware that yes, this is driving me everywhere. This has a certain impact. Once you get aware of the impact, you just try to see whether what you're thinking, what you are taking as truth, that yes, I'm late, is that even a truth? Or it's just a belief that you are living with, that you've embraced and you're holding on to it so tightly. And that's driving you. So the moment you see that, you start to get aware, it'll loosen its grip. You'll see, हाँ, मैं actually late या नहीं late तो एक बहुत subjective सी बात है, एक आपने बना लिया है अपने लिए. बाकी, you know you can accomplish so much more, and you can do it now or at any other stage or even 10 years later if you're up for it, right? So look at turning around that language, that self-talk, that limiting belief of yours, replace it with some inspiring context and a forwarding belief, and then move ahead. Because till the time you are operating from a context of survival, कि मैं तो लेट हूँ तो अब क्या हो सकता है, या ये तो ऐसे ही होगा, the fear is gonna have its grip on you. You'll always be governed by it, and the stress and anxiety is always going to be there. Yeah. So if you want to take yourself to the next level, your relationships to the next level, your work to the next level, start getting aware and understand this is just a belief. Okay, this is not the truth. You have the power, only you have the power to turn around the whole thing by focusing on what really matters. And that is what you really want to do. You still have the time in your hand, and you have the power to turn it around right now, today. I hope this was relatable. This was meaningful. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.